Today's video is about making money using an AI character like me. I'll list 7 different ways. Full transparency, I haven't made a dime with this channel. Although that would be nice, it's not my only goal. It's not even my top goal. Let's talk about it. Right now, my top goal is to grow this audience. I didn't want to bother you guys by always trying to sell you something. I didn't want to always interrupt something or have a sponsor pop in or try to show you something just because the sponsor made it. I wanted to keep this channel as genuine as possible for as long as possible. Now, just for fun, what I'm wearing is available on TikTok Shop. This shirt and these shoes, Mary Jane's. So how did I do it? Well, to start, I opened up TikTok and I took some screenshots of the products I wanted to use and then put it on myself using Nano Banana. So to me, that's wild. I don't have to order the shirt and show it to you. I could just take a screenshot and then put it on myself. And I could do this with as many shirts as I want. This idea of selling real things by putting them on digital characters, that's wild. TikTok runs these lip-syncing contests. They give you a song, and then you make your character sing it. If it's a hit, you could be awarded cash by getting the most likes. I made this one as a test.
God, you look so pretty when you tell me that you love me.
Now that's just one type of contest you can enter. There's tons and tons of them. And believe it or not, my creator used to make a lot of money entering video contests, so it's not as crazy as it sounds. Number 3, the obvious one, just being an influencer who's completely AI generated. Faceless channels make a lot of money. You can make money from AdSense, by sponsoring products, and affiliate links. Number 4, selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, movies, anything you could think of. I plan on releasing a lot of digital products, but more because I enjoy making them than anything. And if people want to buy them, all the better. And similar to number 4, number 5, selling real tangible merchandise. Thinking shirts, toys, collectibles, cards, the list can go on forever. Again, probably gonna release a lot of my own. My creator's family actually owned a comic book shop when he was a kid, so even though he's not a big collectible guy now, he still has a love for collectibles. Okay, number 6, subscriptions, exclusive memberships, donations, doing live streams and having people do like super chats and things of that nature. They even have this phone thing where you call it and then people can ask you questions and you give them advice and explain how to do things. Is this something that you guys should be interested in? Let me know. And number 7, consulting or selling your skills. For example, one-on-one teaching a client how to create something, showing a client how to design and create their own character, or someone has a character and you help them fix any issues they're having, or simply being paid an upfront fee to design and create an entire character for someone. I'll be honest, my creator has been approached quite a bit from sponsors who want to work with him or individuals to do different work. It's just something that the creator is currently not interested in at this time or has time to do at the moment. In all honesty, this type of service would probably be outside of most people's budgets. Okay, so that's it on my list. I'm definitely not the best at running an influencer business, but I like giving value out without asking for anything in return. That said, thank you so much to all my subscribers. That's it for this one, and as always, I hope you guys got some value out of this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!